underground as it gets. There are cops here already, but I don't think they're stopping it. So just outside to turn in to this entrance of the parking lot took about 45 minutes. But there's a lot of people gathered here already, taking pictures, videos of the cars that they pass by. Yeah, so I've got a nice Liberty Walk Mark V Supra right in front of me. That dude looks like a nice guy. Let's see how long we'll be stuck for. Alright, circle back when we start moving. Alright, looks like we made it to the entrance at least. Ticket. Everyone, this is it. We made it after an hour of waiting, and this is where I parked. Okay, well, we do have a lot of people here. Frankly, a lot of people blocking, I guess, work where you could drive, but that's how it is. Alright, let me walk around. Get back to you. What's the guy's Supra? Let me check out the Supra. Yeah, so I was behind this guy. Got a nice ride. Crazy ass Liberty Walk kit. Everyone has to deal with the head-on traffic. Alright, let's walk around. Yeah, this has some sick graphics. According to school's manual, I think I'm modified.
How much room did it take away from the back of the seats?
So basically the seats just sitting straight
Man, I'm gonna look for my friend. That's a sweet looking MR2. Itasha. Schoolie entrance. Nice Mark 4. So I think it's because of this week there are a lot of tourists here. So this is where the traffic's at. There's a cross point before entrance and exit. Yo, nice car, bro. Nice car. All done up. 8.6. The same MR2 just now. Almost backed up into this Z here, and this woman just screamed louder than a horn, and that guy just stopped. Okay, we got a R34 Skyline GTR VSPEC 2 coming in, incoming. Looks very calm, looks like he's seen this before. Well, at least the entrance cleared out. It was actually the congestion at the entrance that messed things up. Looking good. Start checking out cars, starting with R33 Skyline GTRs. Okay, that's more of a manageable height. What do we have in the corner there? Man, it looks like I've seen this Evo before at various occasions. What have we here? Tucked in the corner. This 15. It's actually pretty sick looking, man. Alright, I think I see my friend. Oh shit, this is something notable, man. Look at this Accord with this giant wheel. I haven't seen this Accord in ages, and this guy's pretty badass over here, man. Pretty badass. It's definitely the Honda corner. EK9. That looks like it's a rental. Yeah. Where the hell did I park? Even this is done up pretty nice. Nice car, man. R33.
I feel like my AEC fell back.
It's great. Just get a study a look.
Another R33 Skyline GTR. Man, these are all clean examples, man. That's crazy. That's my shadow there. Man, I must say, this R35 looks pretty sick, man. What else we got? What else we got? Two R34 Skyline GTRs. We've got the GTR lineups over here, Skylines. What do we got here? R33 Skyline GTR VSPEC. Oh, that's pretty sick. It lights up. Oh, damn, there's a Mustang here. Check out the ground effects. Looks like it's on cloud. Right, I don't normally film Porsches, but what the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is going on here? Right behind it, an NSX. Yes, that's his Instagram. Oh shit, see, this thing is in action. here. Here's where all the PC2s are. It's one of the Mugen spoiler. Is it a legit Mugen though? Can't tell. And 4-door, probably not Type R. What else do we have here? We have a lot of traffic here, that's what we have. Yeah, I don't think I'm clearing out until people start moving. So my agent just got in himself about an hour after I did.